Are you looking for to download Cooperative Bank app on your device? Then in today's video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily install it. So the very first thing you wanna do is head over to App Store if you're using iOS device. In the address bar, you need to search for Cooperative Bank. Simply click on this app right here. Tap on Get at the very top of the screen in order for you to install it. Once clicked on it, click on Install at the bottom of the screen. Now enter the password of your Apple ID. Once you've entered, tap on Sign In. Now it will start to install the application on your device. Wait for a while for it to load. There you go, the application has been downloaded. Tap on Open. Now follow the on-screen process and use the application as per your need. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.